How to import contacts from iCloud to iPhone. So here's the easy and clear way to import contacts from iCloud to your iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is sync iCloud contacts directly. In order to do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on your name at the top, and once you do so, tap on the iCloud option available there. Then, once you tap on the iCloud, you will get to see the iCloud apps option available there, and you can see all option available. Simply tap on it. Now they scroll down and look for the contacts option available and make sure to toggle it on. If prompted, choose merge to combine iCloud contacts with existing ones on your iPhone. After a few minutes, your iCloud contacts will appear in the contacts app. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.